How to see the Aurora Borealis on a budget. Affordable tours and insider tips. Experiencing the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, is a bucket list dream for many. Imagine standing under a sky ablaze with color, witnessing one of nature's most awe-inspiring phenomena. But did you know you can make this dream a reality without breaking the bank? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cross the Aurora Borealis off your bucket list on a budget. From affordable tours to insider tips, let's get started. Understanding the Aurora Borealis. The Aurora Borealis is a natural light display that occurs when charged particles from the sun interact with the Earth's magnetic field. The result? A breathtaking light show that illuminates the night sky. While the best time to see the Northern Lights is between September and March, finding an affordable tour can make this once-in-a-lifetime experience accessible to everyone. Now, let's talk about how you can experience the Northern Lights without spending a fortune. Here are 5 companies that offer affordable yet unforgettable Aurora Borealis tours. First, Nordic Visitor. Nordic Visitor offers budget-friendly Northern Lights tours in Iceland, including guided tours, self-drive packages, and small group excursions. Prices start at around $1,000 for a 5-day tour, which includes accommodations, breakfast, and guided Northern Lights hunting trips. Second, Tromsø Budget Tours. Based in Norway, Tromsø Budget Tours offers affordable Northern Lights chases by bus. These tours are led by expert guides who know the best spots to view the aurora. Prices start at approximately $100 per person for a 6-hour tour, making it a great option for budget-conscious travelers. 3. Lights over Lapland. Lights over Lapland in Sweden offers affordable Northern Lights tours with a personal touch. They provide photography-focused tours, snowmobile adventures, and cozy cabin stays. Prices for a 4-day tour start at around $1,200, including accommodations, meals, and Northern Lights excursions. 4. Aurora Service Tours. Aurora Service Tours offers Northern Lights chases in Finland, where you can enjoy a more private and personalized experience. Their small group tours start at around $200 per person, with options to customize your experience with additional activities like dog sledding or reindeer safaris. 5. Chasing Lights. Chasing Lights, based in Norway, offers budget-friendly tours with a focus on maximizing your chances of seeing the Aurora Borealis. Their tours start at around $150 per person for a 7-hour Northern Lights chase, with the option to add on cozy cabin stays or additional excursions. Tips for a successful Northern Lights experience. To make the most of your Northern Lights experience, here are a few tips. First, dress warmly. Temperatures can drop significantly at night. Second, bring a camera with a tripod to capture the best shots. Finally, keep your expectations realistic. While seeing the aurora is an incredible experience, it's a natural phenomenon, so there are no guarantees. That said, with the right planning, you'll greatly increase your chances of witnessing this magical display. The Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, is one of the most magical natural phenomena on Earth, but experiencing this wonder doesn't have to cost a fortune. Let's explore the best places to see the Northern Lights, the best times to visit, and how to get there on a budget. Tromsø, Norway. Tromsø, located above the Arctic Circle in Norway, is one of the top destinations for seeing the Northern Lights. The best time to visit is between September and April, when the nights are long and the aurora activity is high. The shoulder seasons in September and March offer the best deals. Affordable ways to get there. Flights. Budget airlines like Norwegian Air and SAS offer round-trip flights from major European cities to Tromsø, starting at around $150 to $300. Accommodation. Stay in budget guest houses, hostels, or Airbnb options with prices starting at $50 per night. Tours. Group Northern Lights tours start at around $100 per person. Second, Reykjavik, Iceland. Reykjavik, the capital of Iceland, is another fantastic place to witness the Aurora Borealis. The best time to visit is from September to mid-April. Reykjavik offers an urban setting with easy access to the wilderness, where you can enjoy the Northern Lights without straying too far from the city. Affordable ways to get there. Flights. Look for deals with budget airlines like WOW Air and Iceland Air, with round-trip flights starting at around $200 to $400. Accommodation. Hostels, budget hotels, and Airbnb options start at $60 per night. Tours. Join a group Northern Lights tour starting at $80 per person, or consider self-driving for a more flexible and affordable option. 3. Fairbanks, Alaska, USA. Fairbanks, Alaska is one of the best places in the United States to see the Northern Lights. The ideal time to visit is from late August to April. Fairbanks offers a high probability of clear skies and frequent aurora activity, making it a prime destination for aurora chasers. Affordable ways to get there. Flights. Look for flights to Fairbanks with airlines like Alaska Airlines and Delta, with round-trip fares starting at $300 to $500 from major U.S. cities. Accommodation. Budget motels, hostels, and Airbnb options start at $70 per night. Tours. Group aurora tours start at $75 per person, with options to visit nearby locations like Chenna Hot Springs. 4. Abisko, Sweden. Abisko, located in Swedish Lapland, is known for its clear skies and high aurora activity, making it one of the best places in the world to see the Northern Lights. The best time to visit is between November and March. Affordable ways to get there. Flights. Fly into Kiruna Airport with budget airlines like Norwegian Air or SAS, with round-trip fares starting at $200 to $400. Accommodation. Budget hostels, guest houses, or cabins in Abisko start at $50 per night. Tours. The Aurora Sky Station offers affordable packages starting at $100 per person, including transportation and dinner. 5. Yellowknife, Canada. Yellowknife, in Canada's Northwest Territories, is a top destination for aurora viewing, with some of the clearest skies and most frequent aurora activity in North America. Visit between late August and April for the best chances of seeing the lights. Affordable ways to get there. Flights. Look for deals on flights to Yellowknife through airlines like Air Canada and WestJet, with round-trip fares starting at $400 to $600. Accommodation. Budget hotels, motels, and hostels start at $60 per night. Tours. Group aurora tours start at $85 per person, with options to visit nearby locations like Aurora Village. 6. Rovaniemi, Finland. Rovaniemi, located in Finnish Lapland, is the official hometown of Santa Claus and offers a magical setting for Northern Lights viewing. The best time to visit is from September to March. Affordable ways to get there. Flights. Fly into Rovaniemi Airport with budget airlines like Norwegian Air or Finnair, with round-trip fares starting at $250 to $450. Accommodation. Budget-friendly cabins, hostels, or guest houses start at $60 per night. Tours. Group Northern Lights tours start at $90 per person, or consider a self-drive option to explore the wilderness on your own. 7. Svalbard, Norway. Svalbard, one of the northernmost inhabited places in the world, offers a truly unique Northern Lights experience. Visit between November and February for the best chances of seeing the lights in this remote Arctic paradise. Affordable ways to get there. Flights. Fly into Longyearbyen, Svalbard's main town, with budget airlines like SAS, with round-trip fares starting at $300 to $500. Accommodation. Budget hostels and guest houses in Longyearbyen start at $70 per night. Tours. Join group snowmobile or dog sledding tours to maximize your chances of seeing the aurora, starting at $100 per person. 8. Inari, Finland. Inari, a remote location in Finnish Lapland, is far from light pollution, making it an ideal spot for Northern Lights viewing. The best time to visit is from September to April. Affordable ways to get there. Flights. Fly into Ivalo Airport with budget airlines like Finnair, with round-trip fares starting at $250 to $450. Accommodation. Budget cabins or hostels in Inari start at $50 per night. Tours. Join group Aurora tours or self-guided expeditions starting at $80 per person. 9. Scottish Highlands, Scotland. The Scottish Highlands offer a more accessible Northern Lights experience within the UK. The best time to visit is from October to March, when the nights are long and dark. Affordable ways to get there. Flights. Fly into Inverness or Aberdeen with budget airlines like EasyJet or Ryanair, with round-trip fares starting at $100 to $200. Accommodation. Budget B&Bs, hostels, or cottages start at $50 per night. Tours. Consider self-driving to remote areas or joining affordable group tours in the Highlands, starting at $70 per person. 10. Murmansk. Russia. Murmansk, located above the Arctic Circle in Russia, offers a less commercialized Northern Lights experience. Visit between September November and April for the best chances of seeing the aurora in this remote and cultural destination. Affordable ways to get there. Flights. Fly into Murmansk with Aeroflot or S7 Airlines with round-trip fares starting at $300 to $500. Accommodation. Budget hotels and hostels in Murmansk start at $40 per night. Tours. Join local group tours or rent a car to explore the area independently, with group tour prices starting at $60 per person. The Northern Lights are a sight that everyone should see at least once in their lifetime. With these budget-friendly options and the right planning, you can experience the magic of the Aurora Borealis without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides. Thanks for watching The Frugal Aristocrat, and here's to your next adventure under the Northern Lights.